Hello and welcome. Today is the 16th of February 2022 and I am your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. And we are logged in for this morning's market opening trade in the DAX. And I'm going to switch over the screen right now. We're going to come into the MetaTrader as always. Up in the top right hand corner we have our SwissBox trading tool. And this is what we're going to be using to activate and trade the markets. The way that it works is very simple. Over here we've got box lines. If I turn those on, we're going to get these two lines appear in the chart, a red line and a green line. These represent two pending orders, the green line being a buy stop and the red line being a sell stop. Ultimately, well, if we see just here, we can actually see there's 12.5 in the middle. That means that there's actually 12.5 points of range between those two pending orders. Essentially what we want to do is trap the market like so within that range before we expect any breakout or any volatility. So we're trading at 5 minutes before the market opening here in Germany, and we're trading on the DAX. So at 9 o'clock we get the collision of the cash and the futures market at the Frankfurt Stock Exchange opening, and we get the two prices colliding together, creating some volatility. So that's what we want to trade. As you can see here, I've pressed the entry on, and we've trapped the market in around this purple line here. So this purple line is marked out in the chart as we call them big numbers. We consider these to be pivot points in the market price. So essentially what we want to be seeing from the market is that it's coming to this area and retracing back or passing straight through is usually the case. And yeah, so it's for this morning's trade, just before the opening, it's a perfect entry. As if I come out over to the last 2 days, we can see that there's been some high volatility over the last 2 days. If we take it from here, just this week, we've had 670 points of range over the last 3 days. So that is, it's understandable that we could have that continuation of volatility through to this morning also. So to talk you through it, so now that we've trapped the market within this range, what we can see here is in my terminal at the bottom, we have two pending orders. We have a buy stop and a sell stop. So the buy stop is at the green line, sell stop is at the red line. As soon as the market moves out of this trap here, this yellow box trap, what's going to happen, it's going to pass one of those pending orders, it's going to activate one of them, and we should have a blue line appear in the chart, like it almost did. So soon, yeah, we'll have a blue line appear in the charts, and that blue line is our take profit, like so. So there it went past the green line or touched the green line, we activated that buy, and then we have that blue line appear in the chart, which is our predetermined take profit, which is actually set within the SwissBox for us. So now we have our target here at the blue line and we're going long in the market. However, as we know, markets can be very choppy and very volatile, so we can go up right now, but we can just as easily come straight back down through the trap and past the red line. What happens at that point is we have a brand new sell stop pending order at this red line. So as soon as the market passes through, it's going to activate that sell. The blue line will then jump from the top of the chart down to the bottom of our chart, and we will have a new target in a short position. As soon as the market reaches that blue line and reaches our target, what will happen is it will close all of the trades together at the same time, and the leftover profit from those trades all closing together will be our predetermined target here. So in this case, I've got a target of 0.076%, so that works out to be around €6.71 at the moment. We can also check out one here from earlier. So the difference that you'll notice here in the SwissBox itself is we have a green arrow pointing up and it says one.trade, and it actually has the outcome of this trade at this moment. So you can see it's the first trade long and we're currently in €5 profit. So if I go over to the UK market here, we can see, okay, second trade short because it's a red arrow going down and we're currently in a -€3 situation. However, the second trade, the first one was at the green line, second was at the red, and now we have our target down here. As soon as the market reaches here, we should have our take profit of around 6 or 7 euros. So there is the market opening. As you can see, a little bit of volatility there. We just fell short from the target profit, and as it goes past the blue line, we get a close on that trade, and that is us out of our market opening trade. So there it is, first trade close, €6.53, 0.07%, exactly bang on target for us. As we can see here, we've actually activated the third trade in the FTSE, but that's it. That's our opening trade on the DAX. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want to check out more, please visit the website, TradersClub24.com. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll be back again tomorrow for our market opening trade. So stay tuned and see you tomorrow.